Hello guys, welcome to Netexpertz. My name is Sudhanshu Kapoor. So in this session, we'll talk about how to create table in SQL Server 2019. So let's start the session, guys. So I already opened my MS SQL Server Management Studio. I log in with my admin user already. Okay. So if I need to install tables or create tables in SQL Server, so how we can go for that? I just expand my databases. So we have databases are there which we created in the previous sessions. So I use database 3 DB3 and I expand it over there. So we have the table option is there. So once I right click on the table options, we have so many tables are there. Once I click on new, so you can see that we have so many tables are there. So first table, the table, simple table is known as a standard table used in mostly databases. So if we talk about this table, so if you want to create a simple table, so we can use this option, table option. We have another table name is memory optimized table. So memory optimized table, it is used to store the data in system memory as well as hard disk also. So when you use this table, so the data of this table stores in system memory also and the hard disk also. So that the so that this table, if you're using this table, so it is faster to read and write. Okay, as comparison the standard table. Now we have a temporal table also. So temporal table maintains the data timestamps for every change data to store. So if you want to, like if I want to recognize that when I changed my table, okay, on which time and which date, so we can use temporal table in that case. So when I change anything in my table, it mentioned the date and time also over there. Now we have the graph table also. So if you want to make the graphs like in Excel, we can create the graphs. So like same, if I want to create the graph tables, you can use the graph table over there. We have the external tables also. External table is used to connect for Hadoop database. If you have another databases, okay, or if you want to connect another tables in the databases, so we can use external table option is there. Now next we have a file table which is used to storing the files in the database. So if you want to store the files in the database with the help of file table, you can use the file table. Okay, so these are the tables we have. So today we can see how we can create the standard table. So we can go for click on simple table over there. So once you click on table over there, okay, so once I click on table, so this shows me the table like this. Okay, so right now over there I'm able to create the table. Once just wait, I just full screen this options. Okay, full screen. Now you can see that now we have a table. So once I click on right click over there, I mean just click on new and table, it shows me this. Okay, now it's asked me the column name first. Okay, so I just give the column name over there. I can imagine that I can create employees name table. Okay, employee details, you can say that. So I just first go for first name. This is my first name, is a column name over there. So I just write over there first name, and after that we have a data type. So once I click on data type, so this shows me NCHAR 10. So it means that we can use character 10 characters in this, maximum 10 characters. Okay, so if you choose this option, data type option, character 10, it means that we able to insert only 10 characters in a particular this particular row. Okay, so in first name we able to give only 10 characters name only, not more than that. Okay, it's not accepting above 10 characters. If you want to go for more than 10 characters, then we have the options over there is, once you expand it over there, so we have the option of 50 characters also. Okay, so I can use 50 characters over there. Okay, so within means maximum character is 50 I'm able to use in this first name column. Okay, and now we have the option of the next is allow null. Now what is the meaning of allow nulls over there? Nulls means that if you want to, if I check this option allow nulls, it means that I'm able to you can say that, but we can go for that. I'm able to blank, I'm able to use blank in this column. Okay, in first name I'm able to go blank also. Okay, but as you already know that first name is not blank. Okay, I want that we are not able to if I'm not able to set the first name, I'm not able to go to the next column. Okay, so I can choose uncheck this. Now I'm not able to means use blank this column. I need to fill the value, any value. Okay, now next we have the, now next volume I go for, like this, go for last name. I go for last name. This is the last name, and then characters. I use the 50 characters. Maximum 50 characters we can use over there, and don't want to allow null. Okay, means I need to. It's mandatory that you need to give the first name and last name. It means that. Now next we have the address. Like imagine we can go for address. Okay, and the characters you can set over there again. the 50 characters I can set over there, and I can use the allow nulls over there. Like imagine if some employee not able to give the address, or they are not able to, or they don't want to set the address, so we can give the null options also over there. Okay, and next we go for, okay, we not set the null option in the address. We can go for other things. Go for city. Okay, city. Okay, the city is go for, I just go for in city I can give only 25 characters. We can change the characters also, so you can go for 25, not more than that. Okay, in city, so I can allow nulls over there. Okay, if any employee doesn't want to give the name of the city, so it's okay if you choose null. Okay, you can choose the null in city also, city in city only, and then you can go for pin code like this. Okay, I can give 10 characters, okay, for pin code like this. Okay, and then we can go set the country. Okay, in country I can set again 20. We can go for 20, it's okay with me. So I'll go for 20 characters for country like this. Oh, this is the way how we can create the table. So I'm successfully create the table, as you can see that. Okay, now I'm going to save the table. So I just this is the option we have, or you can go for control S to save the table. I can use this option, save table. Once I click on save table, they ask me the name. This is my details employee details, and click on okay. Once you save the table, as you can say that, it shows me over there employee details, the name which I save. Okay, and when you expand the tables tab over there, table options over there, they shows me the tables over there. Once you refresh once it refresh, as you can see that, they shows me employee details tables over there. And then what is this? Behind the employee details, it shows me DBO dot employee details. This DBO means it is a database honor schema. There's a full form of DBO is database honor schema. Okay, so we have a schema in SQL. We can say that schema is a component who maintains all these tables and everything in there. Okay, so there is one schema component is running in the SQL server. Okay, like in our servers also, in our Windows servers also, we have a schema component is running. The same SQL server also, we have a schema component is running. So DBO means that we have a database honor schema. It's a by default schema which is running. Okay, and it maintains your employee details. As you can see that it maintains this table. Okay, so we can create the schema manually also. Okay, if you want to create the schema, multiple schemas, we can create the multiple schemas in the SQL server also manually. Okay, and we can provide the permissions to manage the schema to a particular users also. Okay, by default I'm working with the admin user, so it's a admin account in SQL Server. So it automatically saves that employee details table to database honor schema. Okay, so this is the way how we can save the tables. Okay, now if you want to close this, now I'm able to create the table successfully. Now imagine that if I need to edit the table again, so how we can go for that? Just right click on the table, and we have the option design option is there. Okay, once you click on design option is there, it's again allowing me to edit the table. As you can see that I'm again edit the table. Okay, if I need to edit again, so we can go for edit again. Now if you want to if I want to add the records, so just right click on that. I imagine I want to select 1000 rows. I want to go for 1000 records. I want to add some records in this employee table. So click on select button, top 1000 rows. So once I click on this, it shows me all the records. As you can say that this is for shows me the records. Okay, just wait for a while. It's opening. Yeah, you can see that now in the results. As you can see that they shows me the table. Okay, still I'm not adding any records. Okay, so it shows me the table is blank right now. So in my next upcoming lectures, or my upcoming lectures, I'll showing you how we can add the records in the table, how we can edit the table, and all the stuff. Today in this lecture, we only see how we can create the table. We can create the standard table only. We have 6 types of table which I already discussed in this lecture, so we can create only standard tables right now. Okay, so this is the way how we can see the tables. If you want to see the table records, so just simple right click on the table, and we have the option select top 100, top 1000 rows, or edit top 200 rows like this. Okay, so this is what we have. So we will discuss edit also, how we can edit the table in my upcoming lectures. So that's it for the session, guys. I hope you're able to understand this session. Please like and share this video with your friends, and subscribe the channel for more technical videos. Thank you very much, guys, for watching.